Welcome to Microsoft Excel 2013. My name is Guy Vaccaro. Excel 2013 has arrived and it has a number of new features. Obviously, all the old ones are still there and enhanced. And the main new things that you're going to see in 2013 is the fact that we are much more deeply entrenched and linked with the cloud. We have SkyDrive for saving your files to or accessing your files anywhere that you're in the world. There is Office 365 that allows you to access Office from anywhere in the world. Inserting images from your SkyDrive, from the internet, from Microsoft Clip Art Gallery, or even from Flickr is all enhanced and easier to do in Excel 2013. You'll find the magic little tool Fast Fill. I'll leave you in suspense for that one. And we have a lot of new recommended charts and pivots that have been instigated so that it's much easier for you to get up and running with what can be quite complicated in pivot tables and what can be quite daunting with charts and graphs. So that's the new things. In the agenda for this particular title, we're going to cover the Excel terminology. So finding the difference out between a worksheet and a workbook, creating and saving Excel files, managing those workbooks so that you can have a number of worksheets, different tab colors, deleting worksheets, renaming them, moving them about, looking at entering content into your Excel files, and then obviously what Excel was invented for, which is basic math to start with. It does get more complicated. And we look at formatting your worksheets so that they can look quite pretty as well as being technically advanced. We cover page setup for printing because the spreadsheet is not immediately aimed at a piece of paper, formulas so that we can expand your mathematical experience and skills, security of your Excel files, building and using the many templates that are available to you, adding in charts, both from recommended charts, the new tool, but also building those charts yourself from scratch, using Excel as a database facility, and then finally, conditional formatting. So formatting your worksheets based on various conditions. If you need to contact me at all, whether for any queries, questions, or just a comment on this particular title, then you can contact me directly using training@nybytes.co.uk.